Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I'm going to teach you a very easy, delicious and refreshing recipe. Let's make a two-color juice. You only need to follow 3 steps and your juice will be ready. Ingredients: 2 oranges and a bowl of frozen strawberries. Method: cut the oranges in half. And juice them using a citrus remover or manual juicer. You can add a little bit of sugar. Pour the frozen strawberries in a blender and beat with some water. Pour the strawberry juice into the glass of orange juice. And your two-color juice is ready! I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, give a like, and click on the notification bell so you can see if I posted a new video. See you!